Aren't you surprised by all of the elaborate cake designs that are now available to the average at-home cook? Well, here's a cake topper that turns the cake into a sculpture. I'm told it's called a chocolate sail. Betheny Tomseth is bringing this design idea to our Studio 5 kitchen. And right before we came into the kitchen, during the commercial break, she goes, "You're gonna die. It's so," and I cut her off. I'm like, "Don't you say easy. Don't you say easy, because that cannot be easy."
That's my catchphrase, I think, now. It's so easy.
Oh my gosh. But difficulty level, really, 1 to 10, what?
1 to 10, like 3.
Really?
I'm not even kidding. You'll see.
This looks like something that, as I go to fancy banquets, right, or galas, that you would see that cake on full display. Some fancy caterer has made that, but no, you say the average baker can pull it off in our own kitchen.
Hands down, absolutely yes.
We're gonna put her to the test. All right, a 3 difficulty level. Show it off.
All right. So the reason I love this is because it's so easy.
Wait, what? Is it easy? Is it easy?
It adds such a cool, like, structural, architectural element to your cake, and I think that, like, it can totally go masculine, which I don't think we do enough, you know, masculine cakes.
Cakes are soft and frilly and flower driven.
It could totally be feminine too. You could totally go either way, and that's why I love these cakes. They're trending like crazy on Instagram and Pinterest, and so that's why I saw it. I'm like, I was kind of intimidated, but I'm like, I'm gonna do it. And once I realized how to do it, I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna do this for every cake now. Every cake.
It's so easy.
So easy.
Okay, how do we start?
Okay, so all you do is you get some good quality chocolate. I have like a good quality chocolate chip here, and you just temper it in your microwave. And tempering is just heating the chocolate slowly. So I do 30 seconds and then intervals of 10 seconds. It's kind of tedious, but it's kind of necessary.
You really have to baby it.
You really do, because it gives you the strength to your chocolate that you're gonna want, and it makes it nice and hard, okay? So that's all I've done on this. And then watch this. This is so easy. All you're gonna do is take a spoonful, put it on here. There you go. And you just kind of take the back of your spoon and just kind of hold your parchment paper.
This is just regular parchment paper. I'm looking for the trick. Do you like it? This is regular, average, everyday parchment paper.
Absolutely. And that's another reason why I love this so much, because you basically have all these things in your house right now. Okay, so I'm just shaping it right now. I want it kind of wide, so I'm going to make it kind of wide. You
and
can
how
do it thin. So that's kind of the thickness that I have now, but watch this. I'm going to take a cake scraper or like a spatula, and then you scrape it down like this.
What are you doing?
Bam.
Oh.
Right?
Oh, you're thinning it out.
I'm just kind of thinning it out. That's right. Okay, and then this is the really fun part. You're going to shape it now. So I take my clothespins, 97 cents at the store.
From the laundry room to the kitchen.
That's right. And so we just pin, and I'm just kind of shaping the parchment paper like this.
Okay.
Right? Isn't that the coolest thing? And then there is the shape of your sail, right?
Oh my goodness.
And so you put it in the refrigerator for like, if you want it nice and really stable, do it for like 20 minutes at least, you know, but it'll set in like 10 minutes flat.
Could you make it thicker, or is thin better?
You can make it thicker, but then it kind of turns into like a chocolate bark, you know, or a shard, I should say. There's chocolate shards, there's chocolate bark, there's sails, you know.
Good point. So the delicate edging is probably what gives it its finesse.
And the movement too is really beautiful. I love the movement in this. So you're gonna put it in the fridge. You can add like sprinkles, you can add like nuts to it, which is really cool too.
How have you gotten the gold finish?
I'll show you.
Gold. This is my. These are my spirit fingers for gold. Get to the gold.
Yeah,
sorry.
Get to the gold. Okay. So you take it out of the fridge. You just take those out, and you kind of carefully straighten your parchment paper.
Oh my gosh, Bethany! Look at that. You weren't kidding.
Look at that. Now at this point, it does get kind of soft. So try not to touch the front of it. And you take like an X-Acto knife or just a sharp kitchen knife,
and you just like
just kind of trim the edge. Let me put this on.
But the beauty's in the imperfection with this, really, right?
Absolutely, but like you don't want too much imperfection.
Okay, imperfection to a point.
There you go. Okay, so there's that.
Yeah.
Right, which is really cool. And then to add the gold, if you want, you can just leave it like that.
No.
And it would be
so
cool.
We want the gold.
I like.
Give us the gold.
I like how you think. So again, with the luster dust, I feel like I bring this on every time because I love the bling. But I like the antique gold. You can do rose gold. You can do like a cool teal, purple, any color you want actually. And you just dip a clean kitchen paintbrush, and look at how beautifully this goes on.
And it's just going to stay and stick? And
yeah, you just do it dry, and then it stays so beautifully. You can kind of do, you can do all of it. You can do some strokes, you know, and make it really cool. And then bam, right in your cake.
Bam, just like that. You know what? It was so easy.
Right?
No, now hold on. Am I looking at this cake right? Do you have multiple sails playing out?
I do have two because I didn't make it wide enough and I
Two.
had an extra one, so I just stuck an extra one on there.
I kind of like it.
Yeah, and then you just load all the chocolate that you can possibly fit onto your cake, and that's kind of
Those are the instructions. Did you get that? All the chocolate that you can jam onto the surface of that cake. What have you added, though? Talk us through kind of the other details.
So I love the Ferrero Rocher chocolates. I love the Ghirardelli because it's got that beautiful Ghirardelli symbol on it, and when you take this brush and you brush it across that, it just like pops.
With the luster dust.
So cool, yeah. I love it.
That's amazing. It's like a gold mine. I don't know if you've named this cake. Have you named this cake?
Oh,
I mean, doesn't every cake
I'm
kind of
working on
deserve a
it.
little theme or a little name? This is gold mine. I mean, this is gold, and
There you
it's
go.
just so easy. All right, chocolate shells, you can do them in different colors, I imagine.
So with the luster dust, that can make your color. You can do them in white chocolate. In fact, I have a white chocolate here. This one was made with melting chocolates, and it actually is a little bit more stable with the melting chocolates. So melting chocolates, real yummy chocolate, either one works.
You know, the only problem is there will be a fight or a pending arm wrestle over who gets to eat the chocolate
But
shell.
you can break it apart and
fine.
share if you want.
This is amazing. I love it. And I love the drip too effect on the cake. The whole thing together is just so stunning. Thank you so much. Where can we get more ideas, inspiration just like this?
So my YouTube channel, Cake Happens, or on Instagram. I
Cake
post a lot
Happens
of
there
Instagram.
too.
Yeah.
Cake Happens. Look for the link on our website too to make it easy to cook up with Bethany and see more of her brilliant ideas. We love having you in our kitchen, friend. Thank you so much.
Thank you.